Veggie. Cheers, Veggie, hey. At long last, our recipe for today has been successfully accomplished. This is vegetarian sausage corn dog, and then pineapple ginger and strawberry smoothie. This smoothie has a lot of health benefits. It can also control your blood pressure, as well as can be used to detox the body and mind. Therefore, I would like to call Kyerewaa the host.
So, Pastor, in fact, this smoothie that you've prepared was part of the list that I wanted to do, okay? And I love ginger as well as pineapple. So, family, don't forget to try this recipe, this smoothie at home, okay?
Cheers. Yes.
So good. Before I do my presentation, just as I always do, I would like to introduce you all to the man standing right here, and is no other person than Pastor Kingsley Owusu Mensah, aka PKOM. Oh, family, the man standing here is Seventh-day Adventist pastor, and he is well known for his music compositions. So you can check him out on his YouTube channel, which I'll be leaving his link down below this video, okay? So now, Pastor Kingsley.
Kyerewaa.
Why are you? You've done so well.
Thank you.
And I'm so much grateful for honoring this invitation to come to my kitchen.
You're welcome.
So I would like to present you these gifts, and these are for my team. That's soya chunks.
Thank
First
you.
one, and lastly from Veggie, okay?
Thank you very much. Wonderful. I'm much grateful. I hope to come here again.
Oh, you are so welcome anytime that you want to come here, and thank you very much. So family, until next time,
Eat good.
eat healthy. Bye bye.
Vegetarian diet, papa.